book is very suitable for those of you who are in despair and want to give up. Are you curious about the title of the book?
Yes.
So, the title of the book is For Those of You Who Want to Give Up. This book was written by Haidar Musyafa and published in Semarang by Sharmahat Publishing, 2022. This book contains many motivational words that can raise your enthusiasm for life. Are you interested in buying this book?
Yes.
Today, there is a discount price only from the original price book of 60,000, a discount of 25% to 45,000. Can be seen in the brochure. Okay, for further information, please contact this number. Okay, thank you for giving us time to introduce the product. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.